2019 Toyota 4runner wheel brake replacement. Here are the tools needed to do the job: a 70mm wrench or socket, wire brush to clean the hub, a hammer, and a screwdriver, or you can use a caliper for pressing tool. That's about it. Let's go. Also, a bungee cord. Let's compress the caliper. I'm gonna use this screwdriver like this. Compress it. I'm gonna use the 70mm. Let's get our bungee cord and secure the caliper. Let's take out the old pads. Now let's remove the caliper bracket, 70mm, two of them. Let's take out the old hardware. Clean the caliper bracket. Make sure you put your use high protection. Good. Do the same thing on the other side. You can use a wire brush like this to do it. You do the same thing. It just take more time to do. So good. Now let's put the hardware back on. Alright. Perfect. For the water, I'm gonna use a hammer. There it is. We have the old water out. So now we're gonna clean the hub. New water on. Now let's clean it up with some brake clean. You can use soap and water as well. Caliper bracket back on. Put the caliper button. Okay. Now we're gonna grease the top of the brake pad. All right. There it is. Good. The same thing here. You put them in at an angle. Alright. There it is. Take the caliper out. Put some grease there. Now let's grease our slider pins. Okay. There it is. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to pump your brake pedal before you go for a test drive. Thank you.